Welcome to Sarsa's with Ed John Briscoe. Teacher Rose, Teacher Esgreen, Teacher Joanne, and Teacher Joyce welcomes you to your online lessons. Science!
Hi boys and girls! Good morning! How are you today? I hope you're doing good. So it's me again, Teacher Joanne from Kg1/1, and I'll be your science teacher for today.
And for our science lesson for today, we are going to review some of our experiments that we did before. So now let's begin. Today we're going to review 4 experiments. For the first one, we have the color changing experiment. So we did this last week. We put some food colors in the cup, we put some tissue, and we changed the color of our paper towel. So the colors from the cups is zipped by the tissue and make a wonderful changing color experiment. Excellent. For our second experiment, we have the salt and fresh water experiment. Remember, we mixed some salt in the water, and the more salt, it makes the egg float. And the other cup, it doesn't have any salt, and the egg sink at the bottom. And the last one, we did a little bit of experiment. We mixed salt water and fresh water. What happens then when we mix the salt water and fresh water? Let's see. So we add some more water and voila! As you can see, the one cup that has mixed water, fresh water and salt water kept the egg in the middle. Good job! For the third experiment, we have the air pressure experiment. So do you remember what we did with it? We poked a little bit of a hole in our bottle. We put some water and we put some air into our balloon. So when you put the air into our balloon and we put it on top of our bottle with water, it created the air pressure. So the air pushes the water into the straw. And it goes out. Great job. And the next one, the last one, is the invisible ink experiment. So do you remember what we did for the invisible ink experiment? We used the baking soda and water to write our secret message. And to reveal it, we used a beetroot juice, just like in this clip. So we put the beetroot juice into a tissue and wipe it to our paper, and it reveals the secret message. So these are the 4 experiments that we have reviewed today. So let's repeat it again one more time. Color changing experiment. Repeat it one more time. Color changing experiment. Very good. And we did salt and fresh water experiment. The third experiment that we review today is air pressure experiment. Can you repeat after me? Air pressure experiment. Well done, KG1s. And the last one that we did a review is the invisible ink experiment. Say it again one more time. Invisible ink experiment. Very good. Now it's time for our activity. For our activity, we are going to do a live worksheet activity. So let's begin. In doing our worksheet for today, we are going to drag the picture to the correct experiment. What are these experiments? So the first one, we have the color changing experiment, salt and fresh water experiment. Number 3, air pressure experiment, and invisible ink experiment. Now, always start from the top. Look at the pictures carefully so you can drag it to the correct experiment. Let's begin. Okay, for the first experiment, we have a boy. Okay, the boy has balloon. So it means he's doing the air pressure experiment. So we have to drag his picture to air pressure experiment. Well done. Next one. Okay, the student or the girl is showing a message. So she did the invisible ink experiment. So let's drag her picture. Good. Okay, can you see the rainbow colors? On this picture, it means he's doing a color changing experiment. So we have to drag this picture to the first experiment. Well done. You're doing a good job. Let's keep going. Okay, can you see the blue color water and some eggs? What experiment is she doing? Yes, you're right. She is doing a salt and fresh water experiment. Well done. Next picture. Ooh, there's a purple balloon. If there's a balloon, it's air pressure experiment. Let's drag the picture over there. Okay, there's another rainbow colored cups. So what do you think he's doing? He's doing a color changing experiment. Well done, boys and girls. Let's drag the picture up, 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 up. Oops. Oh no. It's not dragging. Let's do it again one more time. Did it? Oh. Is it? Okay, there you are. Well done. The next picture. Okay, what is the girl doing? Oh, there's an egg. So it means she's doing a salt and fresh water experiment. Let's drag the picture to the next experiment. Oops, it's not dragging. Do it again one more time. There you are. Well done. And the last one, she is showing a message. So she did the invisible ink experiment. Ta-da! Did you drag all the pictures in the correct experiment? Well done. Now let's see if we are correct. Click the finish button and check my answers. And let's see what is our score. Yay! We got 10 points. Very good. Well done, girls and boys. You have 10 points. Okay, that's all for our experiment review today. Thank you for watching. I will see you again on our next review next week. Bye-bye.